The Golden State Warriors did it all season long, outscoring their opponents by a staggering 371 points in the third quarter. They did it in Game 6 of these Western Conference Finals, with their season on the line, outscoring the Houston Rockets by 17 points in the 12 minutes after halftime to force a winner-take-all Game 7. And on Monday night in Houston, they did it again. After a lackluster first half in which they were flat out overwhelmed by the Rockets' physicality, energy and defensive aggression, the Warriors flipped the third quarter switch in Game 7. Riding the shot-making of Stephen Curry and Kevin Durant, Golden State once again found its rhythm, erasing an 11-point first half deficit in 7.1 minutes to knock the misfiring Rockets on their heels and, after a record-setting hail of missed three-pointers, out of the playoffs. After trailing by as many as 15 in the first half, the Warriors came all the way back behind a 33-15 third quarter to score a 101-92 win on the road in Game 7, climbing out of the 3-2 series hole they dug to eliminate the Rockets 4-3 and advance to their fourth straight NBA Finals.